Hi, good morning dear students. So in this video class, we discuss the next further content of factorization by using some identities. So in last video class, we discussed different kinds of methods how we have to apply for factorization, such as common factor method and group making method. So we discussed these two methods in last video class. Now let us further move towards the by using the some identities. Dear students, you already listening in your previous classes some identities which are, so first identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So what is its identity? A plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, or otherwise a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Right? So you learned in previous class, means in 7th standard. And second one identity, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third identity, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. So dear students, so in this class we let us discuss these three identities. And you keep in your mind, you memorize and learn well. First three identities. First one, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So note these three identities. Note in your classwork first and solve the factorization. What given factor equations in your questions, you apply which identity is suitable for this one. Now you will solve. Okay. So once again you listen and write carefully. Okay. So dear students, now let us go into some worked examples in your textbooks. Factorize x square plus 8x plus 60. X square plus 8x plus 60. Listen all of you carefully. X square plus 8x plus 60. Here which identity is suitable? So before apply the identity, you split out the terms. First term, second term, or whatever. Third term. See here, x square plus 8x. 4 into 2. What are the factors of 8? 8 factors are 4 into 2. What? 4 into 2. So 2 into 4 into x, right? 4 2s are 8, 8 into x, 8x. And 16. Square of 16 or square root of 16? 4. What is the square root of 16? 4 is equal to 4. Then you write 4 square. 4 square. See, listen. So which identity is suitable for this one? So this is according to identity. According to a plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is what? X square. 2 into a is what? 4. A plus, right? Plus b square means 4 square. 2 into 4 into x plus 4 square. So therefore this is x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to, in place of a, x, in place of b, 4. So x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square. I hope you understand. So listen once again. Here given the statement or equation x square plus 8x plus 16. Then x square plus 8x plus 16, middle term 8x is split out. 8x, then is split out. 2 into x into 4. So 16 square root is also 4 square. Then you apply the suitable identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here means a is instead of x, b is instead of 4. So therefore a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So according to this identity, then x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x plus 4 whole square. Understand? Okay. And to discuss one more problem, dear students. Factorize 4y square minus 12y plus 9. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. See, 4. What are factors of 4? 4 factors are 2 into 2. Then you write 2 into 2. So y square, y into y minus, and what are the factors of 12? 12 factors, 4 3s are 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Then you write 4 into 12. 4 into 3 into y. Right? 4 into 2 into 3. Next, plus 3 square. 3 square. See here, listen. So in 4y square, so we write 2y whole square. 2y whole square minus 2 into, right? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 3 is 12. So 2 into 2 into 3 into y plus 3 square. 3 square. So therefore 2y whole square minus 2 into 2 into 3 into y plus 3 square we can written as 2y minus 3 whole square. This is identity of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then its identity is a minus b whole square. So according to this identity we can written as what? 2y minus 3 whole square. Understand? If you have any doubts, you check out once again in your textbooks. If you have any doubts is raised, you ask me or send through your WhatsApp group. Okay? I hope you understand this sum. Any doubts? I think no doubt. Okay? And dear students, let us discuss one more problems in this problem. 49p square. 49p square minus 36. So this is third identity. Listen all of you carefully. 49p square. So 49 factors. What are the factors of 49? 7 into 7 means 7 7 is 49 means 7 square. 7 square p square minus 36. Factors of 36. 6 6 is 36. Means 6 square. 6 square. So this one again we made by 7p whole square minus 6 square. 7p whole square minus 6 square. This is in form of identity. identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. According to this identity, you can split out. A means 7p whole square minus b means 6 square is equal to a value 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. So this is final result. So 7p whole square minus 6 square identity is what? 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. This is according to this identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So dear students, what in this video class we discussed the three sums. Those all three sums is on the basis of the three identity. One, a plus b whole square. Second one, a minus b whole square. And third one, a square minus b square. So what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And what is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab minus b square plus b square. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So dear students, what we should done the three sums in this video class. Because all three sums is on the basis of three identities. So you should well learn in these three identity, and which any sums is given to you, you will be able to solve. Right? So therefore you well set properly, you learn properly, you keep in your mind properly. So that's why I am telling. So you learn the three identities well. Okay. So, dear students, after this one, we discussed some exercise sums and factors of the form x plus a into x plus b, and some forms is there. We discussed in next video class, and also exercise 6.2. So, before we going to 6.2 exercise, what remain the two sums is there. The two sums is learned well. Right? And if you have any doubts in those two sums, you raise the questions in your WhatsApp group, and you ask me my number with my personal number. After that, I will clear it. Okay? So these three activities is given the one activities on this basis of activities. That activities is given after the sometimes. Okay? So I hope you learn well in this video class. So we meet in next video class. Thank you, dear students.